Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Fundamental English. My today's topic is modal or modal verb might. A very common saying in English is might is right. In this sentence, might is used in place of subject, that is a noun, and the verbal meaning of might is power. But when the same word might is used as a modal or modal verb, it loses its powers and it gives an expression of a very weak, meek, humble or hesitant feeling. There are so many words used to express possibility like can, may, must and might. But they give expression of different levels of possibility, like can and may give an expression of 50 to 60% possibility. Must is a strong word. It gives an expression of 80 to 90% probability, but might is the weakest among them and it gives an expression of hardly 20 to 25% of possibility. That's why we say it is used to express weak possibility. So I think the first point is clear. Let's see the sentence. For example, they might be away for the weekend, but I am not sure. The clarification is also there that a weak possibility is that they have gone out. They might be away for the weekend, but the clarification is that I am not sure. It means probability is weak, possibility is weak. Next use is might is used to give suggestion. This suggestion is also not very strong. The example sentence is you might leave anytime. It's my suggestion from my end, but the final decision is yours. Leaving or not, it is up to you. Next is request, very meek or very humble or polite request. When you make, then you use might. For example, might you help me please? Next is hesitant offer. Even when you want to offer something to someone and you are not daring, you are not very boldly making this offer, you are confused that God knows what may be the reaction from in front, then you very humbly, very politely, very hesitantly offer your thing, like might I hold your bag. So next is in conditionals. In a sentence expressing conditionals, when some condition is there for something, then might is also used, like I might have finished this task earlier or before if you had not disturbed me. If this condition was not there, I might have finished this task earlier or before. Next is past possibility. In the conjugation of verbs, might is past tense of may and it is used to express some possibility that was in the past. You might have left earlier. Means it was possible for you in the past time, in the time before that you had left. And finally, might is used in indirect narration. She said these apples may be rotten. This is the direct narration, and when you change or convert the same sentence in indirect narration, may becomes might. The full sentence is she said that those apples might be rotten. So these are the uses of modal might, and I am sure it is clear enough. Finally, I request you to please like, share, subscribe and comment my videos, and please watch the full video. Thank you for watching.